Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to do for relative locators in using Selenium Python. See basically what exactly the friendly locators are relative locators. There are a couple of things like there are five locators it's presented. One is above, below and to left of, to right of and near. Okay. When we require these file locators means sometimes there is a password field is presented but we are not able to locate that particular password field, but we can able to locate for email id or username field text box. We can able to identify, or else we are not able to identify any text box, but we can able to identify for the labels. By using the label we can able to fill the text box value. How we can able to pass means we can able to using this above, below or to left of, to right of or nearby, what kind of value is presented. Based upon that we can able to fill our content. For that purpose they introduce this five locators into this Selenium 4. Who all are working with the Selenium 4, that people can able to understand this particular five locators. Basically in my previous video I explained like there are 8 locators which is presented in the Selenium 3 as well as Selenium 4 also. In that locators we can use commonly, we can able to use it that 8, and other than that means we can able to use this friendly locators. How we can able to utilize this friendly locators? See now if I'm going to here, I have here username is presented, the first name. By using the first name I need to fill for last name text box field. How we can able to means I need to take first XPath of this or some idea of this one, but here there is no ID. Due to that I'm going to take for XPath. Just I'm going to using here what I can make it here first underscore txt, and I'm going to using for driver dot find element of by dot XPath. Then I'm passing for this value. Okay, and here I need to pass for single quotation. Once I added here I need to take for this last name text box field some also, and this is basically input box, right? I need to input box place for a last text equal to a driver dot of find element. Okay, now there is a locate with, locate with the one to identify these locators, relative locators. What are the relative locators are there? That relative locators of finding purpose we can able to introduce for locate with. If you are going to Selenium there is a with, it is there, we can able to use it, but when you are coming to a Python we need to use for locate underscore with. Okay, once we identified here we can able to use the by dot tag name, by dot a tag name. My tag name is input. Okay, and after that I need to use for here mine is left side, right? I need to fill the left side value, sorry, right side value. To do that you need to use it here, this first name which is the XPath we copied, right? That XPath one we need to pass it. Then we can able to use the last name dot a send keys, and we can able to pass for second name is Gorantla. Okay, then again I need to use it for my last name and I need to fill for my first name. Okay, I need to use for my last one. Here I can able to use a last field. Okay, to meaning understanding purpose I might, because the above one I mentioned already, last first text last text, and to do that I changed for last field. This is the last field. and I need to take for this XPath of this particular last field, and I need to modify here. Okay, now I need to change the single quotation. Okay, now everything is okay. Then again here I need to change for first underscore field. Okay, the last field I need to convert it here. I need to paste it here, and I need to use the tag, and I need to send for a Lokesh is my name. Okay, then we completed for to right of, and this is basically to left of, to left of. Okay, now I need to use for some time to see the whether it is basically the providing value properly or not. Checking purpose, we can able to use time dot sleep into 2 seconds. Okay, time dot sleep into 2 seconds. Then again we need to use the above below. Above below means there is email and phone. There are two text boxes are presented. We can able to how we can able to fill these two things. And again I'll copy these three steps. Okay, now I can able to say to above one to take the above and fill the below. Then I can able to use email field. Okay, email field, what I can do, locate this one and take the X path of this email and coming to here, and I will just I'll copy paste here. Okay, my the email field is ready, and I need to paste it here, and I need to use that below because I need to fill the value from below. That is also a text field, and I can able to use here a phone. Okay, now I can able to use, now I can able to use phone field here to printing. Phone field it will take for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 values. Okay, again I'm going to take the same copy of the code to reducing the time to finding all the things. Again I'll go for here phone text. Now here I'm going to take phone and I'm going to fill for my email ID. Then I'm going to take for my phone field, and I'm going to take for my export of that phone field, and I'm copy pasting here phone text. Okay, now my phone text I'm going to make it in that here, and I'm going to mention for above. Okay, now above means phone field above, which is the text box is presented, that field I'm going to fill the data. Now I'm going to make it here email text. The same text I'm going to use it here. The email ID I'm going to mention for lokesh.ust@gmail.com. Okay, now last one it is presented for nearby, which is the nearby it is presented, those things I need to use it. Now I'm going to use the same code again. Based upon that I can able to go for this one, the first name like last name, which we can able to use it, right? Simple format. Time dot asleep I'm going to use for 2 seconds. Then again I'm using the same code, nothing changing here. I'm going to use for near because both are it is one after one. Due to that I'm using for nearby. Before printing, like Before adding the value, I'm going to, here there is a clear button, using clear, and I'm going to use for only G, or else I will use for testing to understanding whether it is modified or not the value. Okay, now everything is ready and nearby everything. Okay, timestamp. Okay, I'm going to run now. Once I run, it will open the browser, then it will click and it will provide for left side value and then right side value, then above value, below value, and nearby value. Before providing the nearby value, to clear that already existing value, then it will print it for value. Now Gorantla is printed, then Lokesh, then you can take phone number, then email ID, text. Okay, this all about it is printed. Okay, now you saw that everything right, it is entered and text box and replacing the value and all right. This all about for relative expert that we can able to friendly locators also. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues and also comment of this video. Thank you.